A third sit-in demonstration by villagers, teachers and students of schools in the area, along with the support of members of the HNYIewTREP National Youth Front HNYF, was held in PAHAM MAWLEIN in BHOI district to demand for completion of the construction of the way bridge at Narang on National Highway 6 and the 1-kilometer road which has been undertaken by DHAR construction company. It may be mentioned that the way bridge that is yet to be lined with black topping has been causing a lot of pollution to residential areas and educational institutions like the Roman Catholic Upper Primary School situated at Narang, and has also caused traffic congestion along the UMLING PAHAM MAWLEIN road. While officials of the BHOI district administration had convinced protesters of the completion of black topping over the road within 10 days, the general public were adamant enough to not pay heed to the assurance given to them by the concerned officials, but announced that they will continue to protest till their demand is met. In view of the problems faced by the residents of the area due to pollution resulting from incomplete construction of the 1-kilometer road, the president of the HNYF Northern Region, Marcus Merten, said that while the state government is already earning huge revenue from the way bridge, yet health concerns of the general public has not been taken into account, which is yet again a violation of the National Green Tribunal. On behalf of the people of the area, Merten demanded for the completion of black topping on the way bridge and of the 1-kilometer stretch of road leading to PAHAM MAWLEIN.
Kali labat UMLING dia bumpum lah tu nak.
Boleh juga kali UMLING. Baru yang lagi kali juga.
Jalan lagi kan. Lenang deh, nane. Masuk dan pergi situ ini. Jika pun kepudar. Asal dengan let's pay em. Aku ambil cepat di sini. Tak payah di sini. Bila orang bangkok pesisir sini, in resolve ini problem.
Oi. Hadin ba ki kasorkar kala bu ya kene ka jaka thau jakawo kata ka way bridge bom tin hare ban thau ban ngo ya geli ki ba yai lomba kene national highway ba kanyo ya revenue ban simi kata kata te hoi ngilai I bala sakhi ba kasorkar kala yo revenue nang na kene ka jaka mo ba nakalian transport yo men ka sekop ya kene ka way bridge jaka thau te penban pelong kumba ngi yoi ba kasorkar kale matla bat kai ile ipen ye kinung sunong jong kini kisnong apo ka akumer area ba ngadu ba kastam ban tei ngene ka jaga tho kelas dangmi kini ki jingle klet ban perkhat ban baikmat supaya ba harin bami kini ki pumpum ki barung sekilong ying sem jong upay ba tena mar kata ka pelong ke HNYF panuan ban sendalang ilong kami ban persya banum sya ini kali ban kidang rungsu sya kene ka jaga thau kawo ka ba penra ka bakit ek pumpum ka bakit chadu ka te kisnong art homer te kata ka de rim ka ba kaseng HNYF kayeng ban kersan ye ki pradok persnam kilong kami kilong ino sem jong kadong rim hoi ka bahap ka kisnong art homer narang bat kiwai teter te kajingwan ka cingi kolong ban persya ya kan ke sarkar ke bamatla tamang perkat ya uduk orang li kup seliang sem seliang bodon ki ying kisam ki batap dah trap batap dah kepelang nrai ke ke bami nang ne ka ba ngi so bodong ngi so sak sia ka sim